A new tank for a new Era Panther KF-51 is Rheinmetall's new main battle tank, setting unprecedented standards in lethality, protection, survivability, reconnaissance, networking, and mobility. It was unveiled publicly at the Eurosatory Defense Exhibition on June 13, 2022. The KF-51 is based on the hull of the Leopard 2A4, but with a new turret mounting an auto-loaded 130mm caliber main gun. The tank is also equipped with a number of advanced features, including a fully digital architecture, a next-generation active protection system, and the ability to control unmanned aerial vehicles using concept electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft being developed by Bell Helicopter. It is designed to be a high-speed, long-range cargo drone that can be used for a variety of purposes, including military support, medical missions, and on-demand delivery. The APT has a unique design that combines the advantages of both helicopters and airplanes. It takes off and lands vertically like a helicopter. The APT is equipped with 6 electric motors that power its rotors. The rotors are arranged in a V-tail configuration, which provides greater stability and control than a traditional helicopter design. The aircraft has a range of up to 200 miles and can carry a payload of up to 500 pounds. The top-down anti-missile at the tank. The missile would be equipped with a shaped charge warhead, which would focus its explosive force on a small area, penetrating the tank's armor. The top-down anti-tank missile's concept has several potential advantages over traditional anti-tank weapons. First, it is highly effective against the top armor of tanks, which is typically much weaker than the frontal or side armor. Second, the top-down attack makes it difficult for tanks to defend against. The anti-tank missiles concept by Dahir Insat is a fascinating and innovative proposal for a new type of anti-tank weapon. The concept involves a small, loitering drone that carries a miniature anti-tank missile. The drone would be able to fly over a battlefield and search for enemy vehicles before attacking them from above. The Extender ISR system is a revolutionary micro-tactical indoor intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance ISR system designed for urban warfare and complex environments. It allows operators with no prior flight experience to control drones and other payloads remotely with high precision and situational awareness, all from a safe distance. The system features a small, wearable drone that can easily navigate tight spaces and confined areas. It's only 11.8 inches long and weighs about 1.8 pounds, making it highly portable and maneuverable. It utilizes virtual reality VR to provide operators with a first-person view from the drone, as well as sensor fusion to combine data from multiple sources for a comprehensive picture of the environment. With a heavy-duty fabric, the frame can be quickly unfolded and assembled, and then filled with sand, earth, or other readily available materials. Once filled, the units create a strong and stable barrier that can withstand a variety of threats, including small arms fire, explosives, and floodwaters. HESCO MIL units can be easily disassembled and reused for future deployments. The Rheinmetall Boxer Cobra Bridge Layer is a military engineering vehicle based on the Boxer multi-role armored vehicle. The Cobra Bridge Layer is designed to quickly deploy and recover bridges up to 15 meters in length and capable of supporting military load classification MLC-50 vehicles, which includes most main battle tanks and heavy armored vehicles. The Ripsaw M5 is a fifth-generation unmanned ground vehicle UGV developed by Textron Systems. It is designed for reconnaissance, surveillance, and target acquisition (RSTA) missions, as well as for explosive ordnance disposal (EOD) and perimeter security. The M5 is equipped with a variety of sensors, including cameras, LiDAR, and radar. These sensors allow the M5 to operate in both day and night conditions and in all weather conditions. The M5 can also be equipped with a variety of weapons, including a 30mm cannon, a 7.62mm machine gun, and grenade launchers. The M5 is controlled by a human operator who is located in a remote control station. The operator can use the M5 sensors to gain situational awareness and can use the M5's weapon. Naval has a maximum range of 4,000 meters and a rate of fire of 200 rounds per minute. It is equipped with a sophisticated fire control system that includes a radar, an electro-optical tracking system, and a ballistic computer. This system allows the rapid-fire naval to track and engage targets with a high degree of accuracy, even in bad weather conditions. The gun system is able to fire 5 different types of ammunition in real time, which are automatically identified and selected based on the threat. The JFD Shadow Nav is a head-up display HUD that is mounted on a diver's mast. It provides the diver with essential information such as compass heading, depth, and time, even in low visibility conditions. This is especially important for military divers who are more enjoyable. The Door Blaster HDB90ST is a powerful, portable door breaching tool designed for quiet and remote operation. It is used by special tactics teams and law enforcement agencies to gain entry into buildings or rooms quickly and efficiently without the use of explosives or other destructive methods. Clamping the tool into the door frame is quick and simple, requiring only a press of a button. The HDB90ST is small and light enough to be carried and operated by one person, saving manpower and reducing the risk of bumping into things and making noise. The operator can activate and release the tool from a safe distance using a remote control, further reducing the risk of injury. The semi-automatic rifle, and it can fire a variety of .50 BMG ammunition, including armor-piercing, incendiary, and tracer rounds. It has an effective range of up to 2,000 meters, and it can generate up to 14,500 joules of muzzle energy. The Lynx has been adopted by a number of military and law enforcement agencies around the world. The Bell 525 Relentless is an American super-medium lift helicopter developed by Bell Textron. The helicopter is designed to transport up to 19 passengers or 8,200 pounds of cargo. It has a range of 644 miles and a maximum speed of 190 miles per hour. The Bell is powered by 2 General Electric CT-72 pilots with a clear view of all the information they need to fly the helicopter safely. The weather radar helps the pilots to avoid bad weather. The Rainmetal Mission Master CXT is a compact and highly mobile unmanned ground vehicle UGV designed to accompany troops in all kinds of missions, especially in challenging environments. The Mission Master CXT is notable for its extreme terrain mobility, hybrid propulsion system, and advanced amphibious capabilities. It can reliably and silently transport heavy payloads of up to 1,000 kilograms in even the most unforgiving conditions. It has a range of 450 kilometers on a single tank of fuel, and can also travel for 50 kilometers on its electric motor alone. This makes it ideal for long-range reconnaissance. The Honeywell RQ-16A T-Hawk is a miniature unmanned aerial vehicle UAV that is designed for backpack deployment and single-person operation. The T-Hawk is a duct fan VTOL aircraft, which means that it can take off and land vertically. This makes it ideal for use in confined spaces or in areas where there is no runway. The T-Hawk is powered by a flat twin engine and has a maximum speed of 74 kilometers per hour. It has an endurance of approximately 40 minutes and can reach an altitude of up to 3,200 meters. The T-Hawk is equipped with a variety of sensors, including a forward-looking infrared FLIR camera and a daylight camera. These sensors allow the T-Hawk to be used for a variety of purposes, including surveillance, reconnaissance, and search and rescue.